the Honda. So how much did it all cost?
I'm not actually a detailer.
So we're gonna look to list a car. Got the Honda Civic.
So what we're going to do now is we're just going to put the tape on, we're going to mop up to it just to show you.
That's not a diss towards, is it? Wheels, refurbished. Tasty. So, now, is that correct? We have to remember this is a 2-owner car. So if you're wondering where all my money goes, not really.
It's not coming out very well.
Finished.